True protection starts from the ground up, and these stones work with the root chakra, your energetic foundation, to keep you safe, steady, and shielded from psychic attack, other psychic influences, as well as physical dangers as well. Today, I am partnering once again with Otter Spirit, and we're going to be charging up 3 different gemstone bracelets for protection to use as a charm, and we'll also be creating a charging box as well, so that even if you're not wearing them, they will be charging up and keeping that energy of protection going for you. My name is Sandra. I have been on the witchcraft path now for over 35 years. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path, and I help witches who are struggling to start a practice or deepen a practice to confidently integrate magic and ritual into their life on a daily basis with ease, so that they can feel connected to who they are and feel meaning and purpose in life. And I love working with gemstones. I have a lot of gemstones around the place, and I wear gemstone bracelets pretty much all of the time. So when Otter Spirit reached out to me to ask me to work with them and show off some of their jewelry, I just jumped at the chance because it's something that I work with all the time anyway. And as witches, we do love working with jewelry. So once again, I am doing another video working in partnership with Otter Spirit. Now, for those of you who want to go a little bit deeper with witchcraft, maybe you've been thinking about it for a while, but you just don't know where to start, or maybe you've started, but you don't know what's next, and, you know, all these things I've got to learn and things I've got to do, and I don't know what's what, and what's the best way to get started. I do have a free masterclass called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. There's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also find it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. Now, Otter Spirit are a company who are very, very concerned about the otters in Monterey Bay, California. So $1 of all of their jewelry goes to helping the otters, and they are connected to the spirit of the otter. Their jewelry is either AAA or AA grade crystals, which says a lot, because a lot of places where you'll buy crystal jewelry, often the crystals themselves aren't necessarily that high quality, and they also use high quality materials to string them all together as well. They have earrings, they have necklaces, and they have the bracelets. I like the bracelets personally. I like their intention packs, which are a pack of 3 bracelets that are centered around a particular theme or an intention, such as protection or love or prosperity and money. And I've even got some anti-anxiety bracelet packs as well. So there's all sorts of different things that you can get from Otter Spirit to use in your magic to charge up, and then wear those bracelets to help you with whatever it is you're wanting to do. They have a lot of intention packs. Of course, you can also buy the bracelets singularly as well and make up your own packs with various different jewelry, but their intention packs just make it that much easier to choose, particularly if you're looking for a gift, a spell gift for somebody. So maybe you know somebody who is looking for more self-love, and so you might want to give them the gift of some self-love bracelets, and you can find an intention pack there for self-love as well. Charge it up and give it to them as a gift. There's so many different ways you can work with Otter Spirit, and of course with these bracelets. So today we're going to charge them up, and we're also going to create a box that is going to keep them charged. It's a little bit like, you know, charging your phone overnight. When you're not wearing them, you can keep them charged up in your box. So let's talk about what these gemstones actually are. The first one that I want to talk about here is the black tourmaline. A lot of witches love tourmaline. I know so many witches who work with tourmaline to keep them safe. Tourmaline is also very strong at shielding you against any negative energy and, of course, electromagnetic energy. I keep a big slab of tourmaline near my laptop when I'm working for that very reason. It also blocks psychic attack and helps you feel calm and grounded. It's very connected to the root chakra, and hence it helps you feel safe in the world. The next is lava stone. Now, I have never really used lava stone before. This is the first time I've been wearing it and using it, and it has a very quiet, earthy energy about it. It's very good for grounding, charging yourself with that energy of the earth. It's great for change. So if you're going through times of change, this can help you move through those times of change. And often this is when we're the most vulnerable, and having that lava rock as a part of a bracelet set, or even just wearing it by itself, will help you move through that change in a much more grounded and calm way. It also absorbs oils. So if you wanted to use lava rock with essential oils, if you rub essential oils into the lava rock, you're actually going to be able to keep that scent of the oils. I know a lot of people who do that with sandalwood oil. So it's calming, it helps keep you balanced and resilient. The next one is hematite. Hematite, once again, is very grounding. It absorbs negative energy and transforms it into positive, useful energy for you. It's great for shielding, it's great for warding off psychic attack, and it can also help boost your confidence as well. So what we're going to be using in this spell is a red candle. I'm also going to be using rosemary and sage and star anise to go into the pouch, which will go into your charging box. So let's begin the spell. Now, when you get your Otter Spirit bracelets, they will come in a box. There will also be a pouch in the box as well, which the bracelets come in. I'm going to be using the pouch to put the herbs in, and then place the pouch in the box and use that as the charging station. You also get some information on the gemstones themselves. So here I've got information on the lava rock and the tourmaline and also the hematite. So the first thing we're going to do is anoint the candle. So I'm assuming you've already got a cleansed space. We're just going to start straight off with anointing the candle, and I'm anointing it with patchouli oil. And I'm just going to anoint it from the tip of the candle down. I'm using a red candle because we're working with the root chakra. The root chakra is about safety in the world, feeling safe, feeling firm, having that firm foundation in the world. And because all of these stones are root chakra stones, we're going to be focusing on that root chakra energy. When you feel safe in your root chakra, you will feel safe in the world, and so much of the world will open up to you when you're feeling safe and stable and like you belong here in the world, that it's safe to be here, that you're allowed to be here, you have a right to be here, all of those root chakra things. I'm also going to be using some incense as well, and it's patchouli incense, and this is to cleanse and consecrate the box. So I'm going to light the candle. And then the incense. So I'm going to cleanse and consecrate the box that comes with the bracelets. I cleanse and consecrate this box to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. So I'm now going to charge up the box, and I like to use my own energy for that. So I'm just going to place the palm of my hand over the box. And just imagine you've got energy radiating from the palm of your hand down into the box. Your imagination is actually what stimulates your energy to come from the palm of your hand into the box. Feeling the tingles, and then just saying the following. I charge this box with the grounding power of the root chakra. May it hold and amplify protection, safety and stability for all who use it. And now it's time to fill the pouch. Before you do that, you want to cleanse and consecrate it. I cleanse and consecrate this pouch to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. And then you want to fill the pouch with your herbs. So I have here some star anise, I'm going to put that in the pouch. Now I'm going to place some sage in the pouch. So star anise for protection, sage for protection, and rosemary for protection. And just speaking into the pouch to give the herbs their instruction. And just say, these herbs carry strength and protection of the earth. May they shield and support. And then put the herbs in your box. Now it's time to charge up the bracelets. Now you're going to want to cleanse and consecrate them as well. You can do them singularly by just running them through the incense. I cleanse and consecrate this hematite so that they serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. I cleanse and consecrate this tourmaline to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. I cleanse and consecrate this lava stone so that it may serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. And now it's time to charge up your bracelets for their purpose. Now, of course, they already carry the energy of protection because that's what these stones resonate with anyway. You're just reinforcing that and giving it a specific purpose, which is one of protection. So you can either place the bracelets in the box as you do this. You can charge each one separately. I'm just going to show you how you charge them all together. So speaking over the box like you did with the pouch, just saying the following. With the power of the earth beneath me, I charge these bracelets to be the shields of strength, stability, and safety. Now you can also place your hand over them as well and do the same thing. So you would be charging them with the energy from the palm of your hand. Speaking over them is charging them with the vibration of your voice. There's different ways that you can charge things. So once you've done that, you want to close up your box and leave your box on your altar for 24 hours so that they can brew. And then after that, you can take them and wear them. And when you're not wearing them, put them back in their box so that they charge up and keep charged up with that energy of protection. Now, every day when you do go to wear these bracelets, you can also say a little chant just to really remind yourself why you're wearing them and to just give them a little bit of a boost. So that chant is, with these bracelets, I carry my shield. I am grounded, strong, and protected. And then wear your bracelets. So just a reminder, if you do want to purchase these gorgeous bracelets, there's a link in the description field below this video where you can go onto Otter Spirit and buy those bracelets or have a look around and see what else they've got. And if you're wanting to take your magic and your witchcraft practice to that next level, I do want to let you know about the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. So this is for you if you are longing to truly connect to your craft and to who you truly are, your inner witch, where you'll learn how to establish a deep connection with the earth, with the deities, with the moon, with the cycles of the earth, and also with magic and your energy. This course takes you step by step through the transformation of becoming a true witch, where you understand energy and how to work with it. You can cast circles, you know how to use your tools, you can do works of magic confidently, you can create the life you want to create, essentially, through connecting with your witch self and the powers of the universe through witchcraft. Now, the course also comes with a bonus course called The Witch's Guide to Magic, which gives you 100 spells covering love and romance, prosperity, defense magic and protection magic, as well as health and wellness magic, and that is free with the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. And this course is a practical course, so it has you doing things so that you become a witch, not just from the intellect and learning from reading, but actually from doing the practices, which is what's actually stopping most people who want to become witches actually become witches. So if that sounds like something for you, there's a link in the description field below this video. You can also find the Mystery Witch School 101 on my website as well, mysterywitchschool.com. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Blessed be.